Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the TDP on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. One way to do this is simply by checking your CPU in the Task Manager. In order to open the Task Manager, right-click the taskbar, then select Task Manager. In Task Manager, let's go to Performance tab right here. Then go to CPU and just check the model of your CPU. Then you're gonna have to open the web browser and open some search engine of your preference. And after that, enter the name of the processor in here, and let's search for TDP value. We'll be able to find all the information we're looking for on the official Intel.com website, since this laptop uses Intel CPUs. Okay, so here we'll be able to find the TDP. So here we have the processor base power, maximum turbo power, and minimum assured power values. So the first value, which is 15 watts, is basically the standard sustained TDP of this laptop. The maximum turbo power, which is 55 watts, is the short-term boost limit for the processor, and the minimum assured power is the minimal minimal configurable bound for this processor. But we can also be more precise by installing the software for checking this out, which is the CPUZ. So Google CPUZ, open the CPUID website, and now let's click consent. And now let's download this setup file at the top of the screen, or at the top of the list. Then let's select download now. The exe file will be downloaded. Now let's open it, then click yes, and then accept a user agreement to continue and click next. Then you can change the directory for the installation file. But if you don't want to, you don't have to do this. You can just click next, then next once again. Then if you want to create a desktop icon, just don't uncheck this checkbox. Click next, install, and now let's click finish once the program is installed. Now all we have to do is run this program, click yes, wait until it launches. Right now it's gathering data about your device's hardware, and in a moment we'll be able to check the TDP. So as we can see, the max TDP is 15 watts, just like it was mentioned on the Intel website. If you remember, just let me go back there. So yeah, so the processor base power, which indicates sustained TDP, is 15 watts, and so we got a confirmation here. And so that's how you check it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.